The pretzel. Okay, you got the pretzel. Come on. Oh my goodness. All right, everybody, what is going on? We are back once again, and today we are going to get out and we are going to try to probably not finish, but get a few more of these historic cemetery series caches that are out here in southeast Indiana. It's kind of rainy, cold day, but the rain seems like it's let up a little bit. So I've got my waterproof shoes on. I'll have the dog and the wife, although they're not in the car yet. And we're gonna get out here and just see what we can do. Hopefully we can get the last 11 or maybe 12, 13 of them. I think there was a couple more added to this series that we didn't know about. And if we can get half of those or maybe close to all of them, that would be awesome. I'm not sure we'll be able to do that today. So anyway, with that said, we're going to get on the road here, head on out, and we'll catch you at the first one. All right, here we are at the very first one, and we're trying to figure out where this one's at. The GPS is giving me all kinds of goofy stuff. Let's do this. Best way to do it, look at the hint. Holy trees are the best. Holy trees are the best. Oh, see a hole, but I don't see a cache. The GPS is kind of goofy. Let's go over here and check this tree out. All right, now we're getting a little bit closer. Saying 30-something feet. Holy trees are the best. See anything there? I got it. That thing was hiding back there in that dark corner. Because it is dark. Let's get this thing signed and get on our way. The pretzel. Okay, you got the pretzel. Come on. Oh my goodness sakes. It really wasn't that old. It's a shame. Come on. Let's go over this way. Let's put this back. All right. The second one here. Let's see. Where are we at? What is it saying? Okay. That's here somewhere. Probably down. Let's see. Let me do the hints for the cross. I bet, is it saying over here? The wise will kneel before the cross. Probably. Did you look down at one of them holes? Why, you afraid of the snakes? You find it, buddy? Okay. That foot's open, so let's see. Oh, you were close. You were down there. You almost hit it. Here. All right. That is number 2 out of here, so I'm going to go to the next one. This is beautiful back here. Oh, wow. This is pretty old. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing? Stretching? Come on, there is nothing there. Get out. Jeez, old Peach. You goofy dog. Boy, this is an old graveyard. Wonder if that was like a mausoleum at one point in time. Then there's some of these small gravestones pointing you over towards that tree. Wow. Really old. Mama's searching. Found it? Awesome. All right, number 3 in the book. We're gonna head off to the next one. Right here. Let's walk over this way, bud. Or is this number 4? It's saying this way. Like it's over here in this mess of trees. It's in here somewhere. Oh, maybe a little trail. Oh, goodness sakes. It's saying 11 feet right here. Look at the hint. Look up. Let's go back here. It surely looks like people were back here. Ow. And says, look up. I know these containers pretty well now. I am not seeing it though. It's saying, look up. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. Well, go get it then. Where is it at? Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. Jeez, old Pete's. Alright, we found it. Or the wife found it, and she wouldn't tell me where it's at. How she is. You like that one? She liked that one.